portable air compressor. This comes with the attachment. Not sure why it stopped, guys. Am I putting the valve wrong? Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll have a quick review on this Xiaomi portable air compressor. Let's unwrap this one. Mi portable air compressor. So it comes with a bag and a hard case, and you can just turn this on by pulling this hose right here. So this is good, guys, if you're riding solo or group rides. You can bring this along with a tire, not tire sealant, but bring this one with a tire repair kit, so it's easier for you to repair your tires if you run over any nails or some sort. So here's the attachment. You can attach it onto the nozzle or to the hose, and it also comes with the I think it's a basketball. Yeah, it's a basketball attachment and a little adapter right here. So what we're gonna do right now, guys, is just use this alone, or we could try use this one, but use this with its portable hose right now without that attachment. So this comes with a 2000 milliamp battery. I don't know how long this will be charging, and comes with USB cable port. Alright, let's go. So sorry about the bike, guys. It's a bit dirty because it's raining hard last night. So this is my first time using it because this item just arrived yesterday. So you can set your tire pressure like that, like so, and then it comes with a chargeable USB Type-C port, and it comes with a flashlight also, so you can turn on the flashlight by just clicking this light button, and it also has an SOS signal. Alright, so let's remove the nozzle first. Oops, grab this real quick. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's set the tire pressure at, I'm using a 160 by 70 tires in the rear and 120 in the front, and I have a back ride, so let's set this to 33 psi. All right. I think it's better off with the attachment, but anyways, let's try to use this without the attachment. So it can, once connected to your tire valve, guys, it will automatically check the current tire pressure, which is right now we have 28, which is lower than the usual because we need about 33 with back ride, and without back ride we need 32 for a 160 by 70 tires. So setting to 33 psi, and then just press, I think, this button right here. Oh, did it go through? Why it stopped? Let's see. Setting up 33. Press OK. Not sure why it stopped, guys. Am I putting the valve wrong? Let's see. Let's do this again. It's a bit loud, guys. Like you see, it's putting air. Yep, here it goes. So it will stop at 33. I don't know, it's, it dropped to 30. Maybe the valve is, I didn't tighten it. Okay, let's try this again. 33. Right, let's try this attachment, because might be doing it wrong, but let's see. Okay. See if this works. Yep. There you go. So 33. Alright, 33, so it works better with the attachment. Yep. I guess it works better with this attachment right here. Let's do the front. So I think I'm doing it wrong earlier, but we'll see. Yeah. Okay, so it's the bulb cover. Oh, let's put back the bulb cover on that one first. Moving on to the front tires. So for 120 by 17, so by 120 by 70 tires up front, we need at least 29 psi. So let's see the current psi first. Let's connect this one. So I think this is much easier than the hose itself without the attachment. Let's plug it in. Oop, and closed it. This current psi probably roughly around 27, because yeah, there are some air that comes out when we put the plug in the hose. So set this to 29 and start. Alright, that's it. So it will automatically stop. So when using it, guys, just don't cover this part right here. So this is when the air comes through to put onto your tires. Alright, so that's it. That's as easy as that. Yeah, with the attachment, of course. Oop. Put on the tire valve cover. So this is way better, guys, with attachment compared to the hose itself. And then to switch it back off, just remove the attachment, put the hose back through. Alright, so now it's off. So this is very useful, guys. And if you need this kind of gadget or device, just comment down below and I hit you up with a link. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the next one. Right side, peace out.